Now, let's talk about how to change your location on Google Maps on iPhone, right? So, there are some things which you can set up. Like if you open up the settings in here, and when you just go to the app section right here, so in the main page, let's say you go all the way to the bottom, here is apps, and then you go to the Google Maps right here. You have the ability to adjust the location, right? So, in case you want to make sure it is more or less precise, you can change it in here. So I currently have it set to never, but let's say that even if you enable it, you still have the ability for precise location. And this means that if you disable this, it is only going to know your approximate location and not the exact point on the map where you happen to be at the moment. So perhaps in case you want to do that, I mean, just keep that in mind as an option. But yeah, these are like the ways which you can change in terms of the settings. Now, when you open up the actual application, when you have the location enabled, you're going to be able to see the point on the map of where you happen to be. And this just cannot really be changed. Like you cannot change the actual location of your phone to be shown on the map, right? So this is not possible. However, you can choose a different location for the starting point of navigation, right? So let's say that you want to get to a certain location and you want to navigate there. You don't have to choose your location as the beginning, not even your home, but you can choose a different location to start the navigation. So it is going to be pretty useful for that, right? So this is just how it works, but as I say, you cannot just change or like move your location to be shown in a completely different country. It's just not how it works, right? But you can change it for the navigation, and you can also enable or disable precise location or even the entire location services for this app. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'm going to catch you in the future one.